welcome back. So I want to do a quick intro before we jump into the video and I leave for the day. Obviously I'm still in my office, but getting ready, you can tell with the title of this video, to go to the Fe Noel opening here in Little Caribbean in New York. I'm so excited. If you know me, if you ever see my Instagram, I will put pictures up. Obviously I am the unofficial official Fe Noel ambassador, my favorite designer brand. I absolutely love Fe Noel. Fe in general, the designer, she is incredible, and I just so resonate with the work that her and her entire team do. So this grand opening is today. It is Caribbean American Heritage Month, so it's in the heart of Little Caribbean. It's just really so perfect and obviously so on brand for me and Lavi Rèv. Maybe you didn't know, or if you don't know, I am between New York City and Guadeloupe, which is in the Caribbean. So a lot of my work now that I'm spending more time in New York is just bridging the gap between the West Indies in general and New York City. So that is a mission that I have in general in life with my business, with my, what I bring to the world. And it just so aligns with how I feel in Fe Noel clothes. I love everything that the brand stands for. And beyond just being, a Black Grenadian Caribbean woman, I love their business, everyone on the team. And I've had the honor and the pleasure of meeting Fe multiple times, multiple events, and she's exactly who you would think she is in person, just probably even cooler. Everyone on the team are just so kind and so real and so themselves and authentic, and I think that's hard to do today. And I think that it's just a testament to them, but you see it in the work. You can see why they are so successful and why the brand resonates with so many women around the world, and not even just Black women or Caribbean women, globally, just women who like luxury. So excited to be going today. I have my whole Fe look on. Hopefully I'll try to be able to get better pictures once I'm there with the Guadeloupean flag. So very, very, very excited to take you all along with me. Let's go.